I'm really happy to have the opportunity to talk to you about the smart project we did together in smart factories.
Hi, Ricky. Great to be here.
Great. Thank you for joining again. So tell me a little bit about Arçelik.
Well, Arçelik is an $8 billion revenue white goods company known with brands Beko, Grundig, and Blomberg mainly. We're number 2 in Europe, and we have very strong presence in emerging markets throughout Africa and Asia. And now we're also expanding in North America. What is unique and special about Arçelik is we're the most sustainable in our sector, honored by Dow Jones Sustainability Index, and also we're one of the first Terra Carta seal holders. So sustainability is in the hearts and minds of everyone at Arçelik.
Great. So why is digitization so important to Arçelik?
Well, as I mentioned, sustainability is very important in our agenda, and simply digital is important for sustainability on mainly 2 reasons. First is for the well-being of our planet and also continuity of the business. For the business, I'll discuss later on, but as Pekka said, I totally agree with the notion there is no green without digital. So what we are trying to do at Arçelik is using digital technologies for the greater good of the planet, but also for the sustainable competitive advantage for our business on 4 key dimensions. Mainly how we reach to our consumers through our digital channels. Our products are going digital, so we have to really be the pioneer in making sure that we transform according to the latest trends. We need to continuously update our core systems, and also we need to provide a digital experience for our employees. So what is important on our projects with Nokia is where it's about the core systems, i.e. our factories.
Well, firstly, it's great to work with a partner who also shares our ambition around sustainability. So can you tell me a little bit more about the Smart Factory project?
Yeah, sure. At Arçelik, we have 28 factories spread around in 9 countries. So when we started about the digitalization journey back in 2016, we discussed about how to go for this strategically. And what we decided is, let's apply the best we know and the cutting technology in a single factory that we launch and learn from there and apply it to the remaining 27 factories. And hence, we started the Arctic Romania project as our North Star project for Smart Factory. That was completed a couple of years ago, and it was one of the first global lighthouse factories honored by World Economic Forum. Quickly, we followed our learnings there, which we actually used as a test bed for cutting-edge technology. And this year, we also received Global Lighthouse Studies for our Factory 6 in Eskişehir. So from here on, we are trying to establish centers of excellences for different technologies. And our Çayırova plant in Istanbul has been selected as the 5G campus. And what we are trying to do is take 5G technology and apply it to our production environment end to end. That's where our joint partnership with Nokia comes into picture.
Well, great. Yeah, certainly exciting 5G project. So from your perspective, what was so compelling about the Nokia Digital Automation platform, and what were the benefits you got from it?
Well, as Nokia puts it very nicely, Digital Automation Cloud platform for us is a plug-and-play private wireless network solution. What I mean by plug-and-play is, we took like 9 months discussing about this project, how to do it, building the competence. But by the time we got the products on our premises, it took us 2 weeks to launch a private wireless network. This is unbelievable. Having a technical telco background myself, it takes months to even commission a single product base station. So this was a mind-blowing experience for me. So this provides you actually time to market. And having a private wireless network on your own gives a lot of freedom and flexibility in use cases. Also provides you increased security, which is extremely important for us, and also enables a wide variety of applications with edge computing and low RTT. So we're looking at security, flexibility, and a whole variety of applications for us.
You mentioned use cases at Utku, so could you talk about some of your key use cases and what's your vision of the future for the platform going forward?
We have more than 30 plus use cases identified so far, and as the first wireless private network in Turkey, we have set some ambitious goals. But what we'll start with is the most demanding application, autonomous AGVs and forklifts. The material movements inside the factory are a key determinant of a factory's overall efficiency, and that's where the digitization usually is very low. So we started from there, and we will convert all our AGVs to 5G-enabled autonomous AGVs for material handling, but as well as finished goods material handling within the factories and our warehouses. On top of that, we have identified drone-based inventory, some advanced AI and vision processing applications like employee health and safety, but we'll not stop there. We'd like to basically establish an autonomous campus where we'll be able to deploy new user scenarios with our ecosystem partners. But last but not least, as I mentioned, our products are also becoming smarter and smarter. And we'd like to use this as a test bed for 5G-enabled household appliances as well.
Well, Utku, I really do appreciate those great insights, and it was a pleasure working with you and the company on the Smart Factory project. So again, thank you very much for joining us today.
Likewise. Thank you, Ricky.